your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
And good afternoon, 34 degrees. We've got the sunshine, but again, as we were talking about, the wind chill is the story today, and it feels a lot colder, about 10 to 15 degrees colder, especially when the wind gusts. But sustained wind is at 17 miles per hour, and then with that gust, it even feels colder. So the wind chill is with us through tonight. Then what else is on our weather headlines? Hey, if you haven't seen the meteors, well, we've got the meteor shower peaking tonight. After that, it gets cloudy, so this could be your last chance for the Geminids, and they are pretty spectacular, as a matter of fact. A soaker coming in here Friday, and a lot of white stuff, a lot of winter white for the North Country, for the ski areas. But ready the rain gear here in Rhode Island. That's what we have to do. Look at the rainfall that is ahead of us. This is Friday at 6 a.m., just getting going here with a couple of tenths of an inch of rain. But by noontime, we're at a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. And then at the end of the day, this is 10 o'clock at night, we're close to an inch of rain. So we're going to get a soaker. It's because of this storm system, big swirl here over the central part of the U.S. And this curve, this turn of air is causing more severe weather across the southeastern U.S. for today. They had the tornadoes and a lot of things going on out there yesterday with blizzard and severe weather and thunderstorms. For us, we've got a winter storm watch in effect for northern New England, a gale warning along our coastline, and off to the west that is an ice warning here. They're watching for ice for western parts of Pennsylvania. There's the blizzard warning in the orange and more winter storm watches for the northern part of the U.S. And then here's the tornado watch and warning. Watches in yellow, warning in red. So severe weather happening there right now with these thunderstorms off to the south. So this is the system that's going to come our way. Not going to give us any severe weather, but it is certainly going to create snow for the north and rain here. Ocean storm will be pulling away from us. High pressure giving us one more dry day. But here comes the storm, and it develops and moves off the Delmarva Peninsula, and there's a coastal warm front that develops, which means east of that front is rain. West of it, you get the snow. And let's zoom in a little bit here. We've got a lot of snow falling north of Worcester and Keene, New Hampshire, Manchester, New Hampshire, right up to the Canadian border, out to the Green Mountains of Vermont, and even western Massachusetts getting into some of this snow. This is 11 o'clock Friday night. The storm's starting to pull away from us, and if we get into this little dry area south of this front, that would be late night Friday night, and then we'll see things calm down a little bit as far as the precipitation goes. So this is a Friday daytime event mostly for us. 28 tonight, starlit and windy. We got the Geminid meteor showers, and what do you want to look for? Well, look for those rapid fire meteors late night. The moon is rising 10:15. It's almost a quarter moon, so not impeding that too much. And you can see them from inside as well as outside. Here's the 7-day forecast. And we look at clouds tomorrow, rain on Friday. And if you have travel plans for northern New England on Friday, New Hampshire, Vermont, be aware that it is going to be snowing there all day on Friday when we get our rain. The weekend, sunny for everybody, and temperature